Hello. As you know, I am moving house, so I'm gonna make the curtains for my new house. I've taken a measurement of the windows and I'm just about to start it because when I move there is no workroom, so I need my table. But what I decided is, as you can see here, my main fabric is much larger, wider than my lining, and this is blackout lining. So what I've done is I've cut the edges off this side, and I thought to myself, this is a time that should show you. So here it is. So this side here now, I'm going to cut the edging off. I'm going to cut it off, and then when I do cut it off, it would be basically the same width as my blackout lining, because at the end of the day when you sew your curtain, the lining will go out of sync each time, and it's a lot of effort to in the end cut off the edge just to make your curtain. So I'm cutting it off now, and I've just thought I'll do this quick video to show you what I'm doing. But because I'm using this device, I haven't got a stand for it. So I'm going to cut it off now, and then